tastes amazing. If I generally eat a food and I really like it, I just grind it off daily to a point where I really hate it. And he's one of the boys where I'm just really addicted in recent days, and I have been grinding him daily. I've been eating a lot. Okay, welcome back to the 21st consecutive vlog after the comeback itself. There's a rule that is called 21/90 rule. What that rule states is, the 21/90 rule states that it takes 21 days to make a habit, that is to form a habit, and 90 days to make it a permanent lifestyle change. So I have been counting every day, that is till today. Today is November 21st, right? Yeah, November 21st. Not gonna lie, it kind of became a habit. Like for the past few weeks, every day when I get up, the first thing that I think is, okay, what am I going to vlog today? Commit to your goal for 21 days and it will become a habit. Commit to your goal for 90 days and it will become a part of your lifestyle. The reason I'm stressing too much about 21/90 rule is that this is the exact day where 90 days back I started to work out, and it has become a part of my lifestyle. Every day I just work out. It's just normal. It's as if I'm brushing my teeth every day, and I wanted to do the same with the case of vlogging. I wanted to push myself, or try to challenge myself to do it for 21 days, no matter what, no excuses. But the real challenge is, am I going to do it for the next 90 days to make it a part of my lifestyle itself? Well, looking into the future, the answer is already yes, bro. I'm gonna do it every day, no matter what, no excuses. Usually, I don't like thinking about the future or thinking about the past. I'm a more of a make the moment guy. But I feel it's necessary, to tell you guys what is the future of the channel, gonna look like. I really wanted to make this video when I came back, that is 21 days ago. But the reason I didn't do back then was I needed a little bit of experience to judge my videos and to judge myself. After 21 days, after making it a habit, I feel this is the right time to talk about the future of the channel itself. Okay, let's get straight to the point. This is not the vlogs that I want to do in the future, or this is not the real Tamma Darshan vlog. I am still managing to find my style or find my thing in the vlog itself. To be really honest, I myself don't like the vlogs that I'm making right now because it doesn't correlate with my idea that I have in order to make a Tamma Darshan vlog itself. Let's just be honest, it's just me talking to you guys straight up for 5 or 6 minutes. But this is not the vlog that I want to do. I want my vlogs to be more creative and layered like an onion, add my routine to it. If you take an onion, there's basically a lot of layers. There's the outer layer which you cut off, there's one inner layer, there's core, there's a lot of layers to an onion, right? But in order to do that, layered vlog or creative vlog, I need that experience, or I need that easy peasy lemon squeezy. I can just take off a camera and I can just talk perfectly. I need that experience, right? And that is the reason why I'm just doing simple vlogs. I'm just doing it for the habit and for the experience itself, to get used to the vlogs itself. But my vlogs in the future will definitely ramp up. There's going to be a lot of vlogs. For example, there's going to be travel vlogs, there's going to be food vlogs, there's going to be tech vlogs, there's going to be story vlogs, there's going to be a lot of vlogs. I have a lot of things planned. So that's all, job done. That is my subjective description of my future vlogs and how it's really gonna be. Even though I myself don't like my vlogs so much and what I'm doing right now, but I know that I have to do it. But still, I see a lot of positive comments and you guys are liking my vlogs a lot. Before I end the vlog, I'll just say this. If you were here for the past 21 days consistently and you have been liking my vlogs, I think you gotta stay here. I think there's a lot coming and I'm really excited for it. I'm just going slowly, slow and steady wins the race, bro. You know what I'm saying? I really tend to underrate myself again. This guy is just crazy, dude. This guy, this guy right here doesn't even respect me and, stay calm.